Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk SPL trim command. The trim command is a powerful string manipulation function that removes whitespace and specified characters from both ends of strings. This is an essential tool for data cleaning and normalization in Splunk, helping you process messy data by eliminating unwanted characters that might interfere with your searches and analysis. The basic syntax of the trim command is straightforward. You write trim, followed by parentheses containing the field name, and optionally the characters you want to remove. The field parameter specifies which field you want to clean, and the characters parameter is optional and defines which specific characters to remove from both ends of the string. If you don't specify characters, trim will remove whitespace by default. Here's how trim works by default. When you use the eval command with trim and only specify a field name, like clean_name equals trim of name, the command automatically removes whitespace from both ends of the field. This includes spaces, tabs, and new lines. This default behavior is perfect for cleaning up user input or imported data that often contains unwanted leading or trailing spaces. You can also specify custom characters to remove instead of just whitespace. In the first example, clean_path equals trim of path with a / removes forward slashes from both ends of the path field. In the second example, clean_tag equals trim of tag with square brackets removes opening and closing square brackets from both ends of the tag field. This flexibility allows you to clean various types of formatted data. Let's look at some practical examples to understand how trim works. In the before column, you can see strings with unwanted characters. The first example shows a name with spaces on both sides, and the second shows a file path with forward slashes at the beginning and end. After applying trim, the results in the after column show clean strings. The name now has no extra spaces, and the path has no leading or trailing slashes, making the data much cleaner and more consistent. The trim command is commonly used in two main scenarios. First, for data cleaning, where you remove unwanted whitespace from imported data. This is especially useful when dealing with CSV files or user input that often contains inconsistent spacing. Second, for path processing, where you clean file paths by removing leading or trailing slashes. This helps standardize path formats and ensures consistent data processing across your Splunk environment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.